All right, everybody, I got the Duramax XP 5500E. This is the gas version versus the gas and propane. Same thing. I'm just going to show you how to hook up the wheel kit since the instructions are terrible. I don't know how to do it. I haven't done it yet, but I don't think it's going to be that hard. So let's see what we need. So here's the screws we have with it. A couple of pins, obviously, that's going to be for the tires. So let's see what we need here. These screws look to be the same, I think. No, there's two longer ones. Let's see, there's four short ones, so I'm guessing the four short ones are going to be for that. The two longer ones will be for the handle. I don't know. Let's see. See what we have here. Doesn't it look like I would need the long? Yeah. Looks like I might need the long ones on here. Let's use the longer screws. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. There's only two. So let's see. You want to put the arms down? Yeah, that should do it. So we'll tighten these up later, but obviously, see, there you have it. There's that. Let's get this one going. There it is. Yeah, here's the instructions. By the way, it's black and white. You know, it's not really showing you what it's doing. You can read it, yeah, but it's like, what does that mean? Show me. I went on YouTube. I didn't see anything as far as how to install a wheel kit. So anyway, there's the two handles. We'll tighten those up later. So obviously, if the handles are down here, then we're going to have the wheels over here and the bracket right here. So let's see. I don't think this is going to make a difference how that is. You can set them on the edges. You can set them on the, and I think we'll put them on the outside here. And you have extra screws, so like I said, I'll tighten these up later. That's going to be a tight squeeze with this battery right there. So you're going to need the proper wrenches and all that good stuff. We'll speed this up. Oh, you know what? I think I'll put them on the inside since the battery's not blocking that. There we go. Your access. All right, let's get the other one. Doesn't really matter which side, where you put them. Looks like you have different options there. Obviously this. So this was inside here. So what we're going to do is I had to pull it out of here. Didn't even know it was there. And obviously this is the wheel kit. So one end is longer, one end shorter. Yeah, to have it even, it looks like if you're on this side with a handle, remember this longer side is going to go that way, away from the legs. It's going to go that way. And it does have an extra bracket to mount these on. Yeah, it was pretty simple. Definitely did not need the instructions. And that's why, hey, if you're on YouTube watching this video, that's fine because I did the same thing. So on YouTube to see how to do it. I didn't want to use the instructions and read all that jibber jabber. Try to figure out what's what when I can just, I thought I was going to do trial and error right now. And all that good stuff, and that would be faster than reading those directions and try to figure out what those pictures are. But no trial and error really, except for this right here with the battery was in the way. So that one slides, obviously. This one's securely mounted. I don't think it matters. Maybe I should have put the bolts on the bottom. I don't think it really matters though. Nonetheless, as long as the wheels are on, doesn't matter that if the bolts are on this side or on that side. As long as we get them on, we get them tightened up. There's another thing in the way there. Be careful of that. And to get the wheels on, we'll go ahead and do that before we, we'll go ahead and tighten it first. Oh no, I guess we can tighten it later. Well, yeah, we better tighten it first. So that's pretty much it. I'll end the video here. I'll tighten it up later. What you'll do is you'll just throw the wheels on like that. Bam. Make sure those screws are tightened up. And then of course what you're going to do is you're going to get your pin. You're going to put your pin right in there. And then make sure you get something to bend that pin around so the wheels don't fall off. And then once you bend the pin around, you're good to go. The wheels are on. All you got to do is flip it over. And like I said, once these are tightened up, you can store it and mount just like that. When you're ready to take it out and move it around, you pull the handles out, lift it up, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the vid. And I'll keep y'all up to date on the Duramax. I plan on making plenty of videos on this to let you know how it goes.